These are sold 2 different ways. They're always in packs of 7. But one is actually just the card and the bag, and one is the card bag and my this brand of healing that I love. It's actually vitamin A and D, but in a serum and petroleum free. So it's basically just, there's no dyes, there's nothing unnatural. It stays moist for a really long time. It's very hydrating, and it's also very thin and very breathable. So that's what I love about this. But it just really sets your client up for success. The main important thing on the back of this, it says BrowTricksHealing.com. And then on the back also, it says, for instructions on videos and washing, aftercare, the stages of healing, and more, go to BrowTricksHealing.com. So the main thing is, when you send this home with your client, I also want you to make sure that they go to this website and watch all these videos. It's going to help assure that they follow aftercare. Your clients are going to come back with better healed results, and then you're going to have easier touch-ups. So I'm just trying to set you guys up for success and also set your clients up for success for their investment. So BrowTricks Healing, yay. And of course, again, I also am selling these as a pack with just the bag and the card. So if you have a aftercare that you're in love with, you can just pop that in the bag. And of course, I always recommend throwing one of your cards in there as well. So hope you love them. I know you will.